Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaledi Keane College kabalong kaway na ki college balarim haganong ba Shillong haga arpsan tarik mentaw bunay naitung arajar khat khandai kala Rakhe ya ga jingya lenti ya ki proposal tali ki maumer ban basa ya ga jingnang jing start ya ki samla puli kentai ki ba angnot ban pendep ya ga jing puli ki ba kham shalor nadok ka kerdan higher secondary hadok ka kerdan degree level ya kani ke jing Rakhe la penlong hamadan yela ka jong kani hi ka college hakaba menteri badai pe ya katnat pule puthi jong ka sarkar jela uba lakmen rumbui ulalong ukongsan harangkat ke jing don lang jong principal secretary ka sarkar Meghalaya uba Donald P Walang ka principal jong kani ka Lady Keane College ka kong si masar kinong hikai kikmi kikpa kisamla pule kinong shakhot ngubha bat kiwei Hagani ke jing yalang lapun kup buram ru ya kinong hikai ya kisamla pule bat la pleru ya ka kamera kelas jong ka academic block 5 dau ba lakmen rumbui lapun pu pen pieng ya kani ke jing Rakhe da ki jing pen berngya na kisamla pule jong ka hi ka college.
It is through your cooperation between the managing committee, the teaching staff and non-teaching staff and all who are the stakeholder of this college. That's why you are here today. Now, my dear students, what is the road ahead? That is very, very important. Do we become to the litigant just to get our degree? Or do we come to the college that we want to follow somebody? We know that these 3 years you have spent here today, in this college, the college has transformed you, the teachers have mentored you, and you yourself, you have helped you how you could be a standout in the society. As I used to say, that every student, you are unique, and this uniqueness in you, it is not that we can grow alone. We need the help of our friend, we need the help of our family, more importantly, we need the help of the teachers in the college. The question is whether we are able to imbibe, whether we are able to observe whatever we learn and whatever we are going to learn. That's why I'm sure these 3 years you have spent, you are well equipped to face this challenging world. And we know nowadays many youth, sometimes they are frustrated because of the lack of opportunity, frustrated because lack of employment opportunity. The question is why? When we are unique, we cannot find our own ways. Do the education system which we have do not prepare us to find our ways? Yes. I feel that yes. But as we know that education is dynamic, it changes, it goes every. You as the student, as the graduate of this year and the future graduates also, you have to learn how to cope with the journey ahead. You have to learn to update you yourself so that maybe by the time you finish your studies, you are, oh, why I didn't know this one. So you have to update yourself. We from the government, we have seen the difficulties of the people, especially those are aspiring to become a teachers or the professors. We have seen the changing of regulation of the government every now and then. We find that by the time the student want to apply their job, their age is over. So that's why last year we took a decision that for the teaching community, we extend the age limit by 5 years. This is not a small measure. This we recognize that to get the quality education, we need the quality teachers. And to get the quality teachers, they have to do the research, they have to do so many things. So we have to give them time so that they can finish those whatever they want. That's why 5 years we have extended the age limit. This is not a small measure. This is big measure in this transform the teaching education in this in our state.
Inaugurated today for the benefit of the student.
This is written like this. And cut the ribbon for BCA. Instead of the building, we got from Visa, 30% from college, government body. This is the BCA
How is the This morning we got this one as a sign of inaugurating this BCA class of the Lyngkhuh College for the year 2019-20.
We have bought all this equipment also from Rusa, and electrification is actually done, but only 90% to connect for the electric. So that's the server
Everything
room.
is very important.
Yes.
We can